Are you looking for a natural surface that fits into your landscape project? Paving stones and concrete are difficult to install and also expensive. Loose aggregate is easily displaced and washes out, and often results in encroaching weeds. Introducing Envirobond's EnviroPATH. Used in major landscape projects across the globe, EnviroPATH is crushed stone mixed with the powdered plant glue, designed to resist erosion and create a natural-looking surface. Used in projects like the green roof at Toronto City Hall, the pathway system at Shanghai Disney, waterfront trails at the Brooklyn Bridge Park, and the warning track at Dodger Stadium. It's essentially an organic pathway material in a bag, and it's available at the Home Depot across Canada. Just mix the contents of the bag with water, spread, and compact. It creates a resilient water permeable surface that resists erosion and keeps weeds from encroaching. It's designed for borders, small pathways, and other creative aggregate surfaces around your home. EnviroPATH creates a natural-looking aggregate surface that's built for functionality. Get it today at the Home Depot nearest you.